Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2018 Ford F-350 utility truck. Very nice, got about 60,000 miles on the clock. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and take a look at the condition of the vehicle. Very nice. We've got the key for all the locks in the back. It's got a lift gate back here. This 1,300 pound capacity, really nice, beautiful condition. It's got a couple imperfections here and there, normal wear and tear for a work truck. Okay, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, very nice shape. Lights are in amazing shape, look brand new. Grill's in beautiful condition, very nice. Hood has some defects right here. Couple touch-ups over here. Another dent right there. A little bit of touch-up over here on this end. This fender has a little bit of touch-up here. Couple little marks here. Flare looks good, very nice condition. Take a look at the passenger door. Passenger door looks good, very nice shape. It's got a little bit of touch-up right here on the edge. Couple little touch-ups there. Mirrors in beautiful condition, looks good. Door overall is in great shape, very nice. Okay, it's got a dent right here. Another big dent here on the box. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the box itself, beautiful condition, very nice. Has some scratches here and there, normal wear and tear. Walk around the back here. It's got the lift gate, which is nice. 1,300 pound capacity, really nice shape. You got your trailer hitch down there in case you want to tow something. The other side of the box is in great shape. Take a look, very nice condition. It's got a dent right here, you can see there. A couple nicks here and there, no big deal. No more wear and tear for the box. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the driver door. Driver door is perfect, doesn't have anything. This piece has a couple little chips down here, nothing major. Besides that, looks good. Front fender on the driver's side, great shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Windshield's in beautiful shape, very clean, very nice shape. Roof is in great condition also. These racks on top look good, very nice. Great shape overall, look at that. Really great condition. Okay, that concludes our walk around pretty much. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. All right, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, very nice. Look at the controls, power locks, storage space down there, look at that. Seats in beautiful shape, very nice condition. Liners in amazing shape also. Steering wheel dashboard looks beautiful. Rubber floors are in great shape. Very nice. We're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Storage on the bottom, controls for power locks, power window. Take a look at the passenger seat, also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Seats 3 passengers. Rubber floors in beautiful condition. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Very nice condition. Inside this 2018 Ford F-350 utility pickup truck. I'm going to go ahead and start this baby up. I got one key for it right here. Check it out. Very nice. Going to start it up. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Everything's fully functional on this baby. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a close look here. All the gauges are fully functional. Really nice. Mileage is 64,719 miles. Amazing. Let's take a look at the steering wheel on this one. It's got the controls here for the information center here on top. Look at that. 90 degrees outside today, my friends. You got your cruise controls here. Really nice. You've got your Bluetooth. You got your volume for your radio. And you can change the stations here. Tow haul button. We're getting a little bit of rain right now, of course. no big deal. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks down here, controls for the lights. We're looking at the radio here. Radio has CD. Oh, this doesn't have a CD. Oh yes it does. It has a CD right here. So you insert your CD right there. Got CD, radio, media, phone, and menu control. Really nice that it has Bluetooth for a work truck. Controls for the radio, AC controls and heater controls. There's your little thing to put your CD in there. Down below here, USB. Got your power jack. Little storage space down there. 12 volts, two 12 volts there. Got a small little glove box on top. Another one there on the bottom. Your controller for the airbag in case you want to put a small child in the front here. You can turn off the airbag. Look at the dashboard. Amazing. It's brand new. Outstanding shape. Super clean. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Really nice. Very nice shape. Up above here, we've got a couple accessory switches you can add. You want to put some more lights or something outside. The courtesy lights are here. Vanity mirrors. For the passenger, nothing for the driver. Seats in great shape. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rubber floors. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Amazing. We're all set. Take it for the test drive. Here we go. Really nice drive. Super quick. Feels good. Going about 50. Very smooth. Very nice drive. Brakes feel good. Steering wheel smooth. Really nice. Very nice drive. Okay, that concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the box and under the hood. I'm going to go ahead and walk through all the cabinets on this one. It's got a key for it. We've got one key for it. There it is. So they're all unlocked already. Easier to make the video like that. Let's go ahead and open them up one at a time. There you go. Really nice. It's got those separators down the bottom. Very nice condition. Let's open this one up. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Look at the back one here. Also in beautiful condition. Look, it's got a little bit of wear and tear here on this rubber piece here. Nothing major. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look at the other side real quick. Okay, on this side here. Going all the way in the rear. Perfect. Very nice. Center one. Also in very nice condition. First one in the front. There you go. Now let's go close the ones on the other side. Fantastic. Look at this. Very nice shape. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test out the lift gate. You got to turn this one on and then this one on. it'll give you both those lights. At that time you're ready to go. You got to make sure to unlatch it here and unlatch it here. As soon as that's unlatched, you're ready to go. You fold it down, fold out that piece. There you go. Perfect. It's fantastic. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Fully functional, no issues at all. Let's go ahead and raise it up again. Okay, and then you close it up. You put your safety latches back on. You're all set. Go ahead and turn off the power on it. There you go. Works perfect. We're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Very nice condition. Beautiful condition throughout. Really nice. Take a look at the hood by the bottom here. It's got a little light there for nighttime. Perfect. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful shape. Really nice tread on there. Michelin tire, rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. We're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in fair shape. Rim is clean and in good condition. Look at that. Very nice. Look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in great shape. Take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Outstanding. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2018 Ford F-350 utility truck. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.